anyone at home doubted the moves, they should think again. Cash out in a row.
It's just arrived. Get ready for frenzy. Cash out complete, and the Palace reap the reward. Our first cash out goes to the Steamrollers. Let's see what they can team like.
Decision told them to go fly a kite.
What's the steal there?
A bold move. It's reminiscent of the these teams visited last season. They look determined. Watch out, the ultra rares.
Competition, stealing a cash out. Picked up a cash out. About to quarter the party. Being eliminated. Going to dive in for the cash this time. An awkward moment for the powerhouses. Team 1.
Steal.
Hunt is on as we hit the arena.
It's overtime.
The overdogs just jump-started the cash out. The overdogs are giving the Pound the upper hand.
And just like that was the first elimination of the match.
It's sink or swim time.
You're right. Who will rise to the occasion?
Performance is off key again for the high notes. Team down.
Scotty, they've got one after another.
Contestant seems to be saying, cash out, steal. Cash out underway, thanks. Match.
It's all about heart and determination. stage.
And not even a polite hello before they got started.
From last season,